Multiple streams of income is one easy path to financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how to start publishing on Kobo Writing Live, create an account, and also fill in your payment details so that you can start receiving cash as soon as possible. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. I'm VALUEBANK, and all I do every day is to bring to you time-tested, proven method and ways to gain financial freedom here on the online space through vehicles like Amazon KDP, sales and marketing, and content creation. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you for liking my videos and supporting my channel. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Just like Amazon and every other publishing company out there, Kobo Writing Live is one of the best options if you want to actually increase your earnings online. Like, it is one of the best options if you want to increase your earnings online. And I know most of you that are actually watching this video, a lot of people actually need this information, and I actually want to ask you for a favor before we continue this video. Please make sure you actually like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure you actually leave a comment on the comment section below. And if you have any question, just drop it on the comment section below. I will attend to all questions. So let's get into the video. So Kobo Writing Live is just like Amazon KDP, where you publish your books and you actually get paid for actually listing your book on this website. You understand? Now Kobo Writing Live, just like Amazon KDP, Amazon is actually owned by a US based company, which is Amazon.com. You understand? Now Kobo is actually a Canadian company that is owned by Rakuten, you understand, which is the parent company for Kobo Writing Live, which is a Japanese company. You understand? So Rakuten actually came from Japanese, so but Kobo is a Canadian company. It is registered in Canada. You understand? So they sell ebooks, audiobooks, e-readers, tablets, and computers, and it is actually headquartered in Toronto. So there is a lot of advantages when you actually want to publish on Kobo Writing Live. Now, one thing you need to know is publishing on Kobo Writing Live, it is free. You don't have to actually pay to publish on Kobo Writing Live. You understand? And the royalties Kobo Writing Live actually pays is 70% of your royalties. For example, you set your price at $10. You understand? Kobo Writing Live will actually pay you $7 per ebook that you listed on their website. You understand? So in this video, you're actually going to learn how to create an account and set up your payment these days so that you can actually start receiving cash from Kobo. Okay, so this is actually going to be like a series of videos, because this is just like a video on how to actually sign up on video, how to sign up on Kobo, and also how to actually fill in your payment details so that you can start receiving cash when you start making sales. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type Kobo Writing Live. So just search that on Google. Okay, let's allow it to load. Now you see this one that is kobowritinglive.com. Don't click this one. You see this one that is that you are seeing self-published ebook and audiobooks. Click on this one. Okay, so when you click on this one, it will take you to the website. As you are seeing Rakuten Kobo, you see ebooks, you see audiobooks, you see e-reader apps. You understand? Now you see publish with Kobo Writing Live, reach millions of Kobo readers around the world. Now Kobo has like over 30 million readers. That means they also have a large customer base, but not like Amazon. You get? So all you need to actually get started is to click on the get started button. So let's click on it. So let's allow it to load. Okay, so it will actually take us to this point. Now if you already have a Kobo account, all you just need to do is input your email and your password and sign in. But we are creating an account. Okay, so you click on create Kobo account. Okay, so it will actually take you to this point where you have to put your email, confirm your email, and also input the password that you actually want to use in logging in anytime you want to sign into Kobo. So let's include our email. And please make sure your email is correct because you'll be sent an email to verify your account. Okay, then you have to input your email again to confirm your email. Then you input a password. Now this is the password format. The minimum character must be 8. That means it must be more than 8. So if you put like 7 characters, it will not be accepted. So the letter should be from 8 upward. Uses of numbers and symbol, uppercase, lowercase, and letter. You understand? So okay, then you continue. That is after actually inputting your email, confirming your email. And so you see, you are verify your email address. Please follow the direction in the email to then your email to actually verify. You get, so you go to your email. Now we've received a mail from Kobo, verify your email. So all you just need to do is click on it and you click on the button verify. So once you verify your email, it will actually take you to this point where you have to fill your personal details, your first name, your last name, your publisher name, you get, your country of location, address, city, and your zip code. So let's just fill this part. Okay, your publisher name, you can just actually leave it like that. Now your publisher name is the name that you actually want to use. For example, if you are a publishing company and you are a registered publishing house, so you can just include it here. Now you can also use your pen name or your author name as your publisher name, you understand, but for now it's not actually required. You understand? So any field that is like very important, you see that they will include required, your first name required, your last name required, your email is required. You understand? So your country is required. So any field that you are not seeing required, know that is optional. So you just come to this point and you pick your country, like any country that you are, you can actually find it here. So you pick your country. So you just pick your country. Okay, then the next thing you do is to input your street address. You get, okay, you input your province, you input your city, your postal code. Now if you actually want to get your postal code, you can just go to Google, you understand, and you actually type zip code, your or postal code, your city. You can just say, I'm in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, so you can just say postal code Port Harcourt. So you just click on it and you see the list of postal code in Port Harcourt. So you just need to pick one of them and you fill on that field. Okay, Okay, so if you want to actually receive email from Kobo, I actually want to get, you know, what is actually going on. I want Kobo to actually update me on any new feature or anything they have. So we just want to actually toggle these things on. You understand? So the next thing is to agree to the terms of service, terms of conditions and everything. Make sure you actually read this for you to understand. You understand? So that you won't get into trouble with Kobo. So just agree and save and continue. Okay, so the next thing, you actually receive an email from Kobo again. So you have to go to your email to verify. Okay, let's just allow it to load. So you see writing live, you understand, please confirm your registration. So all you just have to do is click on it and see your new Kobo Writing Live account is ready. Please click here to confirm your email address and complete registration with Kobo Writing Live. Activate account. You understand? So you see you are almost done. There is one last part of your Kobo Writing Live account you have to complete before you can start selling your ebooks. You understand? So the next thing for you to do is to fill your payment details. So you click on it. Let's just allow it to load. So it will now take you to this point where you actually have to fill your payment details, right? So when you get to this point, the next thing you need to do is to come to this place where you are seeing choose your bank location. So if your bank location is Canada, US, United States of America, UK, Australia, like any bank, anywhere your bank is actually located, you just choose that country. You understand? For me, my bank is actually located in UK. So the next thing you need to do is to come down here. You see enter your bank branch details. Now you have to come here and input your IBAN number. So I will just go and copy the IBAN number. Okay, and paste it here. Then I search for location. At the location of the bank where the address of the bank where the branch, the address will actually show here. So the next thing you need to do is to just check this point and you include your account holder name. That is the name included in this foreign account, the account that you actually want to use in receiving cash. You understand? So just input it there and please make sure it's correct. Then after that you just come to this point and save changes. Okay, no thanks. So your account have actually been updated. You understand? So you can, the next thing for you to do is you can now start publishing. You get? So this is how your dashboard will look like. Let's just allow it to load. Okay, let's allow it to load. So this is how your dashboard will look like. Anytime you actually make sales, it will reflect on this account. You understand? So it will actually reflect here. If you actually make sales in a day, it will reflect here. In a week, they will calculate the total that you've made that week. It will reflect here. In a month, it will reflect here, and last month it will also reflect there. You understand? So this is all about this video. Just like I said, this is actually going to be a series of videos, you understand, on how to publish on Kobo. So this video is just about creating your account and filling your account details so that you can start publishing in subsequent videos, I'll actually do a video on how to upload your first book on Kobo Writing Live. Please make sure you like, share, and drop a comment. If you have a question that you actually want to ask, drop it on the comment section down below, and I will actually attend to all questions. So as always, I am VALUEBANK, and I will be rooting for you from afar. God bless you all.